Hi all, today we'll talk about foods with almost 0 calories. 10 foods with almost 0 calories. First up, cucumber. It's hydrating, helps with digestion, and is actually rich in silica. You can enjoy it anytime, especially when the weather's hot. Just slice it into salads, infuse it in water, or, eat it raw with a bit of lemon. Next, celery. It's high in fiber, anti-inflammatory, and a natural diuretic. Try it as a snack or as a pre-meal crunch. You can eat it raw with hummus or simply chop it into soups and stews. So, number 3 on our list is bell peppers. They're absolutely packed with vitamin C, which is brilliant for supporting your immunity. You can enjoy them around midday or at dinner, and honestly, they're so versatile. You can eat them raw, grill them, or pop them into a stir-fry. Moving on to number 4, we've got zucchini. It's high in fiber, low in carbs, and really helps with digestion. The best part is you can have it any time. Try spiralizing it into noodles, roasting it, or just sautéing it, whatever suits your fancy. And number 5 is lettuce. It's low in calories and supports both hydration and digestion. It's perfect to have with your meals. Use it as a base for salads or even as a wrap. Honestly, it's a real staple. Right, let's talk about tomatoes. They're rich in lycopene, which is brilliant for both heart and skin health. You can enjoy them at lunch or dinner and, well, they're pretty versatile. Slice them raw, roast them, or even blend into sauces. Next up, radishes. These are fantastic detoxifiers and, they're packed with antioxidants. Try adding them to salads or just snack on them in between meals. You can slice them thinly for salads, pickle them, or even roast them if you fancy something different. And now, mushrooms. They're great for immune support, full of B vitamins and fiber. Best to have them at lunch or dinner. You can sauté, roast, grill, or add them to omelettes. Honestly, there are loads of tasty options. Strawberries. These delicious berries are high in vitamin C and packed with antioxidants. They're best enjoyed in the morning or as a healthy dessert. You can eat them raw, toss them into smoothies, or add them to yogurt for a tasty treat. Watermelon. It's super hydrating and rich in antioxidants, making it a fantastic choice, especially during the warmer months. Enjoy it in the morning or after a workout. You can eat it chilled, cube it for a refreshing fruit salad, or blend it into juice. You can eat generous portions of cucumber, lettuce, celery, zucchini, and radishes. These veggies are mostly water and fiber, very low in calories and safe to enjoy in larger quantities. They're great for snacking, keeping you hydrated and increasing satiety. But be mindful with digestive issues, especially fiber overload. Overeating fibrous foods like celery, radishes, or mushrooms may cause bloating, gas, or stomach discomfort, especially if your body isn't used to a high fiber intake. So fruits, even the low-calorie ones like strawberries and watermelon, still contain natural sugars. Eating large amounts might spike blood sugar in folks with diabetes or, cause digestive issues if you go a bit overboard. Mushrooms are low in calories, but just a heads up, some people might experience digestive intolerance or allergic reactions if they eat them in large portions. The best practice is to eat these foods freely, but mindfully, especially as part of a balanced meal. Try to rotate them, combine them with healthy fats or proteins, and honestly, listen to your body. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.